welcome to the preview for Premiere 08. We do these little Sunday afternoon sessions just to give you a chance to see if there's what will be held on our Wednesday longer sessions. And also it gives you a chance to post questions in the chat room. And as we progress, I'm still working on a good environment to do live chats. Hopefully, Rose will be available for this coming Wednesday, and the premiere will just be an adjunct, but more on that as we move forward. The session on next Wednesday, the 16th, will follow our normal pattern. We'll have the 1-minute meditation, and we'll do part 3, which is the final section on frequencies of the brain. And in this part 3, we'll actually get into the specific frequency ranges. Part 1 and 2 was all sort of putting all the bits and pieces needed to be able to discuss these frequencies in detail. And right now I have the color meditation down. Probably will stay with that one more time, at least. And then in the second part, when we do the internal map of reality, we'll move on to part 2 of session 5 regarding the timeline. And here we'll be looking at a group of filters that are time related, and the importance of how our perception of time structures our reality. Exercise 11 is exploring your timeline filters, which is directly from part 2 of the timeline. And do a little bit of discussion and maybe show the video. And then finally, we'll wrap it up with a bonus topic, number 10, bilateral movement. And in this one, there'll actually be some examples of Qigong Tai Chi and a very short instruction on how to do the very first movements in Tai Chi. So that's pretty much the layout for Premiere 8. And again, I haven't heard from Rose yet, but I'm hoping that we'll be able to do our regular live episodes on Wednesday. If not, we have the premiere, and the premiere will still be there as a backup. Now remember, try the exercises, and feel free to message me or send me an email if you have questions. And we'll see you on the Wednesday session.